Blue, this way. Come on, this way. Good boy. Away from the puddle. Good. Piccolo. Blue will be shattered. He's only been pulling all three dogs around for the last 35-40 minutes. He hasn't let go of it. He'll never give in. Come on, pups. Blue, take them back. He's dragging like two 45-kilo pups along. Come on, Blue. Back to the car. Good boy. He's still doing it. But Sophia's putting the brakes on as well. Blue, come on. This way, Blue. No wonder you're so muscular. Dragging 90 kilos around with you. Come on. Blue, yeah, this way. Sophia, you can give up now as well. Come on, here, let's go. Good boy, Blue. Come on, Blue. That's it, drag her over there. Good boy, well done. You deserve a rest now. Come on, Blue.